was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Y'all, I got fairy lights. We gonna hang them up today. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Riley, if you don't already know, and today I'll be showing you me just hanging up some lights. Sounds like a pretty interesting video, I know. Yeah, so we got the lights on the floor over there, and then we got these hooks. See them? Let's see if it focuses on them. There we go. And command strips. And then we are going to take the thingy, put it on the thingy, put it on the thingy, and then put the thingy on the thingy. Let's go. So I'm gonna hang them from the corner to just where the closet door stops. Okay, so as you can see, I put the hook on the command strip. It's so small the camera doesn't even recognize it. I bet you guys have heard that one before. Ugh. Ugh. Gosh, it got tangled. I just untangled it. What the heck? It was, oh. Now I remember why I got tangled again. I got fairy lights. Is that thing I did in the beginning of the video. Heckin' heck. I'm gonna turn this lights on a different setting because it's giving me seizures. So you can change it the way that they flash. I like this. Oh! What the heck? What the heck? Ooh. I need to put those on better. They were very uneven. It's not Pride Month anymore. You gotta be straight. My camera's dying. No. How am I gonna make a time lapse? Did not ask you to do that. Stop sassing me. Ooh, this chair's getting slippery. There's dust in the corner. There's dust in the corner. Whoa. Get out of here, dust. We don't want you here. If you look around, there's dust everywhere in my room because I'm bad at cleaning. I'm not waifu material yet, but at least I can cook now. And by cook, I mean microwave ramen. Stay safe, kids. Don't do drugs. Heck. Yeah, pretty easy. How am I gonna do it? Oh, actually I don't. It's pretty easy now. Okay, so the camera died while I was doing that, which is sad because now my time lapse is ruined. But here it is. Looks pretty nice. If I do say so myself. Just looks like that. And now I can film my videos in front of here. But yeah, I'll show you guys all the settings for this too. You can make it flash like that. You can make it still. That's pretty. That's pretty. Wait, I should turn off the lights for this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. T-posing behind the lights. I don't know, it feels magic in here now. Because usually when the light's off, it's really sad looking in here. And I just want to curl up in bed all day and do nothing. But now, I will just T-pose for the rest of my life. Right here. Welcome to the end of the video. This video has ended. Yeah! That was not what I was intending to do.